Hello, I'm Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the iPython console to PyCharm. So let's open PyCharm. I'm going to use the JetBrains Toolbox app for that. It's quite helpful. Starting PyCharm, creating a new project. Let's say hello iPython. And I highly recommend always to create a new environment when creating a new project. This is very helpful because it really helps you keep dependencies separated. So if you have different projects with different libraries and different library versions, it's quite helpful to keep them separated. So the virtual environment is created now. And it's done. We now have the project with a completely new virtual environment. Let's add a file to it, a Python file. For the sake of our example, we call it main, and we just have some piece of code. Let's say hello world. Now we want to, instead of running the whole file, we want to just run a piece of this file in the console. So let's say I just want to run this statement in the console, and we select it, and here we have this option, execute selection in console, and there is a shortcut for it, Alt-Shift-E. This is the default shortcut. Of course, you can configure it to something else. Okay, let's choose that, and here we can see hello world. Our line was executed in the default Python console. However, the iPython console is even nicer, so let's install that. For this, let's go to File, Settings. Here, make sure this setting is checked, so use iPython if available. This is very important. Next, go to the project, and here in the settings of the project interpreter, click on the plus sign to install a new package. Search for iPython. This is it. iPython Productive Interactive Computing. Press Install Package. And the installation is started. Now you can close these windows and wait for a few seconds until it's installed. Okay, the installation is now complete. Now restart PyCharm, so I'm going to close it and then start it again. Okay, it's loading now, and we can see that it already has a different Python console, and here we can see these numbers in the square brackets. This is how you recognize the iPython console. And now if we select this statement and press Alt-Shift-E, we can see that it was executed in the new iPython console. So that was it. Bottom line is to install iPython to PyCharm. So in your project, when you create a new project, create a new virtual environment for it, add iPython to it, make sure that that setting to use iPython is enabled, then restart PyCharm, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful content in the future. If you have questions, please add your comments. Bye.